everyone, it's Nicole from Sydney English Teacher, and it's time for another tongue twister. Are you ready? Today's is probably the hardest of them all. It doesn't look hard, but believe me, once we say it, it's a real tongue twister. Eddie edited it. Whew, okay, so the issue here is the d and the t. Eddie edited it. Eddie edited it. Can you see how it all runs in together? So, D, not so hard. Edited. Edited. Edited it. Eddie edited it. Eddie edited it. It's like we're joining the it to the edited, so it's like edited it. So Eddie edited it. Eddie edited it. Eddie edited it. Can you try? Yeah, it is a real tongue twister, isn't it? Especially when you say it quickly. Eddie edited it. Eddie edited it. Eddie edited it. So the real hard bit here is using that schwa sound and the d and the t. Eddie edited it. 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 Your turn. Well done. Thanks for listening today. Have fun practicing that on your own and come back again soon for another tongue twister. Bye.